Hello everyone, welcome to Galaxy Station. This will be a very short video because I am printing a important documents on my HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2336 printer, which has two cartridges. One is for color, another is black, and the printing task was not successful. So I have tested the cartridges and looks like the black cartridge is empty. So I am going to install a new black cartridge and I am going to show you how. This is very easy. I am cutting the cartridges. There is another plastic packaging inside. You have to cut it. Okay, this is the black cartridge and there is protective sticker. You have to remove it. Okay, protective cartridge is removed. Then you must have your printer turned on. Then remove this. Okay, the cartridge will be here automatically. This is the color cartridge, this is the black and white cartridge. I gently remove the black one and installing the new one. This is very simple. Okay, the total cartridge replacement process is complete. Now I am locking the cartridge door. The cartridge will set up on its own. If it needs any type of adjustment or alignment, it will do automatically. The printer is in working status and there is paper in the paper tray. The printer might need a printed paper for the alignment process. So this is how you replace the cartridge on your HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2336 printer. Yes, the printer is automatically printing a alignment page. I am showing you the process. At the top line, it is written that for better print quality, place this page on the glass or in the scanner section and then press a copy button. I will do that. Okay, these are lines and your printer will use these lines for the proper alignment of the cartridges. So this is very important. Yes, I placed the paper. Now I am pressing copy button. Okay, the printer actually was doing something in the last 30 seconds. it is now scanning and printing that paper. You need to closely observe one thing. Is the written lines are aligned or not? If this is aligned and perfect, then everything is fine. So I can easily say that my printer alignment is perfect. Thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up this video if this is helpful, then share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.